Most traders buy a Propfirm challenge way too early. They see the ads, they dream about trading a 100k account, and they jump in blind. And what happens? They blow it. Not because they don't know how to trade, but because they weren't ready. Listen, passing a prop challenge is not about being lucky, and it's not about smashing trades with crazy risk. It's about discipline, rules, and preparation. The challenge is designed to make you fail if you don't respect risk. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare before you buy a challenge, then how to pass it step by step once you're in. I'll give you the exact numbers, the exact rules, and even some variations that work for different styles. But let me make this clear before we start. This is only for traders who already have a strategy or an edge. If you don't have a consistent system, this video won't save you. You need an edge first, otherwise you're just gambling. Hello, welcome to Bamboo Trader channel. First of all, if you don't know what a Propfirm is and how it works, please take a look at this video that I uploaded earlier. Alright, with that said, let's start with phase 1, getting ready. Think about it this way, you wouldn't buy a parachute and jump out of a plane without ever practicing how to pull the cord. A prop challenge is the same. You practice first, then you risk real money. Here's the process. Step 1. Open a demo account that mirrors the exact rules of your target Propfirm. Same account size, same profit target, same maximum drawdown, same daily drawdown, and even the same trading hours. Step 2. Make 8 or 10% profit on that demo account while following every rule. Not just the profit target, the rules are the real test. Step 3. Repeat this 4 times. 4 full runs with 0 violations. 1 pass could just be luck. 4 passes mean you've actually proven your consistency. Step 4. Each run should take at least 5 trading days. Even if you could smash the target in 2 days, don't. Force yourself to slow down, because patience is what will carry you through a real challenge. If you do this 4 times in a row, you've earned the right to buy a challenge. That's how you prepare properly. Now, let's move on to phase 2, how to pass the challenge itself. Okay, now you're in the real challenge. Here's the system. Step 1. Start with 0.5% risk per trade. Trade carefully until you build a 3% profit buffer. On a 100k account, that's $500 per trade until you have made $3,000 profit. Step 2. Once you're up 3%, increase risk to 1% per trade. That's $1,000 per trade. The buffer gives you room to scale. Step 3. Reset if you fall back. If equity drops back to the starting balance, go back to 0.5% risk and rebuild the 3% buffer before scaling again. Now, here are some add-on rules that make this plan much stronger. Rule number 1. Weekly guardrails. Set a max weekly loss. If you hit it, stop trading for the rest of the week. This prevents death by 1,000 cuts. For example, stop trading after 4 stop losses in a row. Rule number 2. One setup challenge. Pick up one setup you trust most and trade only that for the entire challenge. Your decision making becomes binary. Is my setup here? Yes or no? This keeps your trading ultra clean. Rule number 3. Time box trading. Only trade during your most profitable hours of the day. If your stats show you win more in London Open or New York Open, stick to that window. That way, you only trade when your edge is sharpest. Rule number 4. Max weekly profit. Don't just limit your losses. limit your wins too. For example, if you make 4% in a single week, stop trading until the next week. Protecting profit is just as important as avoiding loss. This system is extremely effective, but let me add a warning. It's built for traders with a normal win rate. If your win rate is low, this system can actually backfire because you'll make a steady profit with 0.5% risk, then potentially lose it faster once you scale up to 1%. So if your win rate isn't strong yet, you need to stick with a smaller risk or choose a slower method until your system is more consistent. Before I recap everything, let's talk about why this system works so well. Number 1. Once you go into profit, you reach the target faster. That's because after 3%, your risk per trade doubles and your winners carry much more weight. Number 2. On the other side, when you hit a losing streak, you reach the overall drawdown much slower. Starting with a small risk gives you a space to recover. Number 3. This method allows you to be both defensive and aggressive, but at the right times. Defensive at the start, aggressive once you have a caution. That balance makes discipline easier. Number 4. The system is mechanical, which means fewer emotional mistakes. Risk, steps, and reset points are all predefined, so you're not making decisions in the heat of the moment. Number 5. Add-ons like weekly guardrails, time box trading, and profit cap create a double layer of protection, one for your capital and one for your psychology. This combination means even if you have your worst week, you still have room to bounce back. And if you have your best week, you'll hit the target much faster than you expect. So let's wrap this up. Phase 1. Prepare. Mirror the Propfirm rules. Hit 8 or 10% on your demo account. Do it 4 times with at least 5 trading days per run. Phase 2. Pass. Start with 0.5% risk. Build a 3% buffer. Scale to 1% risk and reset if you drop back. Add guardrails like weekly max loss, one setup focus, time box trading, and a weekly profit cap to lock in consistency. Remember, this works best if you already have a proven edge and a solid win rate. If you don't, fix that first before you even think about a challenge. Propfirm challenges aren't IQ tests, they're discipline tests. Follow the plan and the plan pays you. If this helped, comment your opinion about this method. And don't forget to subscribe for more no-fluff trading systems. And as always, stay rooted, my friend.